how to make vegetarian lasagna. This is today's topic. I have been asked a couple of times, looks like people's idea is this lasagna takes a long time to do. Not true. Let me show you something really quick and easy. First, look at the ingredients that you need and also the time you want to spend, whether you want to do it on a weekday or a weekend. So what you need to do is, first, if you can get your hands on to the freshly made lasagna sheets, that will quicken the cooking time. If not, get the packets from the shops. Normally, they will have about 8 or 10 sheets in there. You just need to follow the instructions. As soon as you get home, boil the water, big pot, little bit of salt in it, and then cook the sheets. Then dry them on a tea towel. In the meantime, you get your ingredients prepared for the lasagna. So if you really wanted to do it really quick and easy, I suggest you to get some like tin of cream of mushroom or a tin of creamed corn. That is really popular with the little people. They just love it because of the sweetness from the corn. Now, if you want to use tomato sauce, that is fine too, with a little bit of herbs like the parsley or basil. They will just go really beautiful with the lasagna. Or if you want to make white sauce, I can also give you a very good idea. You can use mashed potato, or you can roast some veggies to go with it, like roast zucchini, pumpkin, or eggplant, any kind of vegetables. Okay, so let's just keep it simple. That is something that you can do it really quickly. When the pasta is cooked, now it's time to assemble them into a baking dish. So you have some tomato sauce at the base, if you're going to use that, or you can put the mashed potato at the base, then layer the vegetable and the lasagna sheets. Then if you are still eating eggs or dairy products, then you will put some cheese on top. That's fine. But if you're not, if you're going to adopt a vegan style, then you can use the mashed potato with a little bit of nutritional yeast and a little bit of breadcrumb. That will still have the same effect. It will still come up golden brown after you have baked it in the oven for about 20 minutes. That's it. Really simple. How's that? I hope that helped you out. Okay, so next time we'll have a look at some other quick and easy recipes that we can do together. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missey Grace.